ceremony of Mumbai's most prestigious cricket tournament, that is the 123rd Gyle Shield, at the most iconic venue Parsi Gymkhana in Mumbai, where JBCN International Parel will face Ryan International Malad in a high voltage clash. The Gyle Shield came into existence in an effort to promote cricket at the grassroots level, and moreover it raises the bar every single year when it comes to all of you showcasing your talent. This exciting cricket tournament promises to bring together some of the biggest names in the sport with thrilling fans and spectators alike. This tournament has been possible all thanks to the great efforts of none other than MSSA Cricket Secretary Mr. Nadeem Memon and his entire team, who tirelessly year after year ensured that this tournament is a success. This is a 14-a-side tournament, and as we progress further into the tournament, always for us it has been quality over quantity. Further on, bone tests also have been conducted so that we completely eradicate the issue of age fudging at this level. A record 179 teams will be participating this year. MSSA SG Man of the Match vouchers will be given after every game. Rupees 2,000 vouchers for the knockout stages, 3,000 rupees vouchers for the playoff stage, while MSSA SG participation certificates will also be awarded to every young cricketer. That makes SG our cricket partners, and of course thanks to Red Fox for all their assistance. Matches will be held in Maidans and Gymkhanas. For the very first time, SG cricket balls used at the international level will be used in every single match of the Gyle Shield. The Gyle Shield aims to promote cricket and provide a platform for emerging talent to rise, shine and succeed. Get ready for the ultimate cricket extravaganza where passion meets performance. So we proudly present to you a celebration of cricketing excellence, teamwork allowing the spirit of sportsmanship to completely shine. I'd first request Mr. Nadeem Memon to felicitate our chief guest for today, former India cricketer Mr. Sameer Dige. A big round of applause. Thank you so much for coming, Sameer sir. A big round of applause for our chief guest, Mr. Sameer Dige. Felicitations for our guest of honor, Mr. Kunal Dalal, Managing Director of JBCN Education. Thank you so much for coming today. Thank you, sir. Felicitations for Mr. Abhay Hadap, Secretary of the Mumbai Cricket Association. He's always been so supportive year after year when it comes to promoting and encouraging youngsters to give their best. So thank you, Hadap sir, for coming today. Felicitations for Mr. Sandeep Vichare, Apex Council Member, Mumbai Cricket Association, and also in charge of the Maidans Committee. Thank you so much for your great support all throughout. Felicitations for Mr. Kaushik Godbole, Apex Council Member, Mumbai Cricket Association and Tournament Committee Member as well. Thank you so much for being here. Your support has always been superior to all of us at MSSA and MCA. Also, Special felicitations for Mr. Unmesh Khanvilkar, ex-MCA Secretary. Thank you so much, as always, for being here, Dr. Unmesh. It really means a lot to all of us. A massive thank you to Mr. Ravi Kulkarni, Chairman of Selectors Under 14 Selection Committee of the Mumbai Cricket Association, for coming here. Thank you so much, Ravi sir. Boys, I'm sure he's going to see some of the best talents today, so give it your best shot. Thank you so much, Ravi sir, for being present here today. Felicitations for Mr. Zulfikar Parker, selector under 14. He's been a stellar performer for Mumbai Cricket, having played 45 first-class matches and has been a fabulous wicketkeeper of his time. Thank you, Zulfi sir, as always, for coming in. Also, felicitations to Mr. Santosh Jagtap, selector under 14 Mumbai Cricket Association. Boys, the selectors are here to watch you through and through, so please definitely give it your best shot once again. We'd also like to thank Mr. Dipen Parekh, MCA member, for coming and supporting schools cricket. So thank you so much, sir, for coming in. Special felicitations for Mr. Salil Babar Desai, who's the coach of the Mumbai Cricket Association as well. So I request flowers also to be given to him. Thank you so much for being here today. Felicitations for Mr. Ashish Redditch from Red Fox. His assistant towards school cricket has been absolutely outstanding. So thank you so much for being here today, sir. Also, big thank you to Mr. Jaideep Marar, who's a former journalist and who comes year in and year out to support school cricket. So, big round of applause. Thank you so much, Jaideep sir, for coming in. Also, felicitations for Miss Arundhati Ghosh, ex-India player of the women's cricket team and who's really been supportive through her SRG venture to promote school cricket. So thank you so much for doing that always. A big round of applause for Arundhati Ghosh and her entire SRG team. Also, a massive thank you to Mr. Ramesh Parab, who's been a senior statistician and scorer, BCCI as well as MCA, someone who's always been such a friend, mentor and guide to all of us. So thank you so much for what you do. They are the captain of the ship, so nothing can happen without them. So I'm sure it's going to be a fabulous day and a season for you all both too. Thank you so much. Talking about our guest of honor for today, Mr. Kunal Dalal. Kunal Dalal is the Managing Director of JVCN Education, a progressive organization operating in the education vertical. Currently, JBCN Education runs a network of preschools and 5 international schools, over 6,000 students across key areas in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is passionate about sports himself, believing that sports do not build character, they in fact reveal it. Sports plays such an integral part for him and the entire academics team because learning at JBCN never stops. And most importantly, in his leisure time, he enjoys playing cricket and tennis. His dedication and pioneering support, coupled with his passion for sports, make him the dynamic personality that he is today. So big welcome to you once again, sir, and thank you so much for your continuous support towards cricket in particular. I request you to say a few words.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Kids, how are we feeling? Are we ready for the game? Feeling good? Thank you so much for having me here, Nadeem bhai, with such amazing dignitaries. I feel very humbled and honored. I'm not going to take too much time. All I'm going to say is, I think it's really important that today's generation, the kids go out there, be in the sun, play sports. I often feel, I was just telling Sameer sir, that today's generation, a lot of the younger kids, the only form of exercise they get is with their thumbs. So it's important to be out there, play different sports, understand what it means to win, to lose, to accept failure, to bounce back, come back in a strong way and win the next game. The other thing I'd like to tell all of y'all, please remember this is a team sport. So individuals can win games, but it's teams that win championships. So best of luck to both the teams today and all the teams that are competing in this marvelous, marvelous trophy that is held in Mumbai. Thank you everyone and thank you for having me over here.
Request our guest of honor and our chief guest, Mr. Sameer Dige, to felicitate both our bands. I request their band masters and a representative for their teams to come forward and collect the mementos. Firstly, it's Arjuman Islam Band, Nasir, who is the band instructor, as well as SMG Vidya Mandir High School. Syed sir, I request you also to come forward with your representative to collect a token of appreciation. That's Mr. Syed from SMG School. So big round of applause for both our bands today for showcasing a brilliant effort as always. Please keep the claps going. Thank you so much, sir. Now talking about the man of the moment, someone we've always looked forward to when it comes to international as well as Mumbai cricket. Former India cricketer, Mr. Sameer Dige. He's represented India and he's also been the Mumbai captain. Sameer Dige is highly respected and has been an accomplished wicketkeeper batter. He has played 6 tests, 23 ODIs, 83 first-class matches and 107 List A matches. After the Indian team's departure to Australia in the 1999-2000 season, Sameer Dige was picked to don the gloves in the one-dayers. In limited over games he played, he bagged 7 catches and 1 stumping in 8 matches. And further, in another game versus Pakistan, he shone with 4 catches. I completely remember, and Sameer sir, I've seen this literally on loop, when Australia toured India in 2000 and 2001 at Chennai during the final test match. He batted brilliantly through a tense session that saw Glenn McGrath as well as Jason Gillespie steaming into the India batters. And I remember him clearly batting with the tail. Not only he batted, I think that was one of the most courageous knocks in Indian cricket I've seen. If you want motivation, you got to go back and see that knock. In fact, that helped India record a historic 2-1 series victory. During the final of the Coca-Cola Cup in Zimbabwe, he slammed an unbeaten 94 also versus West Indies. He's been a BCCI zonal coach. Most importantly, as a seasoned cricketer and a true ambassador of the sport, Sameer continues to inspire, mentor young cricketers, sharing his valuable insights and expertise with Gen Next, not only of Mumbai cricket, but in international cricket as well. So thank you so much, sir, for always being so supportive, and now I request you to say a few words.
Thank you so much for your kind words. And my friends, cricketing friends. It gives me immense pleasure to be here because we have gone through on this Maidan. We have very fond memories, and we were like you, and we were chasing dream to play for Mumbai and India. So it's a great opportunity for you guys to show your talents which you have. Doesn't matter whether you are winning or losing, but I personally feel when you play any sports, play to win, right? You got that hunger, you have to have that tenacity which will take you ahead. You must be watching all IPL, Indian cricket is on a different level. So I would love to see from this tournament, more cricketers will play for Mumbai, IPL and India. Nanimbai, I really appreciate your efforts which you are taking for this cricket. This is our roots for Mumbai cricket. And hope all these dignitaries, my humble request, they will continue this tournament for many years to come. And thank you so much for inviting me.
A bunch of cricketers. I hope many more from this level will go on to play for India someday. I now request, before we move on to the toss, I request our guest of honor and chief guest to please give away the certificates before we move towards the pitch. To each student participating in the historic 123rd Guile Shield 2024. Ryan International School, Malad. Please keep the claps going. It's a massive, massive honor for each one of them to represent the school and play at this level. Yeah, that's the first one broken. That's an absolute auspicious start for the 123rd Guile Shield opening. Mr. Abhay Hadak, one down batter, and he does it. Mr. Kaushik Gold bole. That's brilliant. Sameer Dige is all set to toss the coin.
Language is the most important.
Always be
Remember this. Ready?
All the best.
Heads is the call from Ryan International captain, and heads it is.
Thank you.
Thank you.